Hey guys, in this video we're gonna teach you how you can make money while you relax. No, I'm just kidding. He's just been lazy. Saul is doing all the work.
Somebody has to work.
Yeah, exactly. And we're gonna use our machine, the graphtec.
In today's episode, we're gonna tell you why owning a vinyl cutter is the best choice for you if you are making t-shirts, because with this machine you can also make car decals like this project. And we know it takes time and effort to learn how everything works, but in the end it's totally worth it, because if it wasn't for that we would have missed this big project. And today we're gonna make hoodies for this very same company. Even though we could have done this project with DTF transfers that we've been outsourcing and promoting a lot, but if we have the machine, why not?
So anyway, today we're gonna make some hoodies, and Nacho is about to align the vinyl. You know, same process we always do, but we always try to provide you good information. If you own a graphtec, you must pull the vinyl to the front. They have this little like ridges or lines, whatever they're called, so that way when you scan and it pulls the vinyl to the back, you get an idea how aligned your vinyl is going to be. And that's exactly what Nacho is going to do. It's going to press 1 and it will pull it to the back. We don't have that very many hoodies, we only have 9 of them, but we have worked with this customer before, and one of the things that we've been promoting lately is like transfers. But it is very important, like if you have the money to, you know, if you can afford it, to buy a vinyl cutter like the graphtec is definitely worth it. You can make hoodies, you can make yard signs, you can make decals, and that's how you make the money. And now we're gonna go here to Saul. How's the vinyl?
It's winning out good, not too bad. I mean, it almost cut through the vinyl, which is not a big deal.
I increased the cut force.
Yeah, that's pretty normal. If you're not very familiar with the vinyl cutters, you have to replace the cutting strip certain time depending on how often you use it. Same with the blade, you have to change it, replace it, depends on what brand you use. But yeah, it's just pretty much regular maintenance that you have to do.
And we got the shirts from All Day Shirts. I'm gonna leave a link below. If you want to support us, we'll get a commission. You will get charged normally. It was just, you know, helps us for the content, you know. We're gonna leave the link below where you can get all your blanks. Let's open the box and I'm gonna show you the material.
I'm gonna open the box.
What I like about this company is they usually send like coupons for the next purchase. They give you a discount. Most of the time they do. Like they always take good care of you.
So far, this is like one of the best places, like most affordable. I'm not saying that they are the cheapest, but one of the cheaper ones.
Sometimes it's not only just about the price, but I think this company has a variety of different types, because sometimes I'm looking for certain colors and this company usually has it. And we're gonna work with Gildan, the heavy blend. It's gonna be 50% cotton and 50% polyester.
Something I want to mention about the vinyls too. Let me get one of the rolls. We get them from Heat Press Nation. We used to get them from US Cutter. By the way, we're gonna have the link also in the description of the video. Let me say something about Heat Press Nation. They do free shipping, so it makes a huge difference if you only get like, let's say like a few rolls of vinyl. You don't have to pay for shipping, which in the end you're gonna save money. We're gonna, like I said, we're gonna leave the link in the description of the video. Yeah, we appreciate your support.
And for this project, we're using CorelDRAW software to edit the designs. For cutting the designs, we use the Cutting Master or CM3, which comes with your vinyl cutter, the graphtec CE6060. All right, it is time to start applying the logos into the garment, and the first thing we're gonna do is pre-press. I know we show you this all the time, but you know, in case you are new on this channel, so make sure you hit the like so you can watch more tutorials, because we make other products like car decals, yard signs, and many other stuff. So if you own, or if you're planning to buy a vinyl cutter, I suggest you do that. We usually do like about 7 to 8 inches depending on the size, and that's exactly 8 inches from the shoulder to the logo. A good thing about HTV is that it has, the adhesive has, it's sticky, so you can stick it on the garment and kind of get a look of how it's gonna look like, and I think that's great. So we're gonna go ahead and give it a few seconds, like 4 seconds, and then remove. Now we're gonna apply the second layer, which is the red. And we're also going to do it for a few seconds, and then we're going to do the full cycle. remove, and now we're gonna do the whole cycle. All right, so now we're gonna do the same process in the back. Pre-press to get rid of all the moist and the wrinkles, and now we're gonna place the bigger design on the back. For this one, I do about 5 inches to 6 inches, but again, it all depends on the size of the garment. Not all the garments are gonna be the same, so it all depends on the size that you're working on. All right, so we have it where we want it. Now we're gonna give it a few seconds and then remove it. For this one, I usually do like 5 to 6 seconds. Just remove it carefully. And now we're gonna place the red one. Then we're gonna do the full cycle. And remember guys, you can do all of this with just a vinyl cutter. There's many options. Like I said, subscribe to our channel because we do the same process with different machines, and there's different budgets depending on what you want to invest on your business. So today you can start this business with just a vinyl cutter, and it'll be the best way for you to make more products, because as I mentioned in the intro, we've been advertising a lot of those transfers, outsourcing, but you know, there's people that only want to do t-shirts. I don't blame them. That's what you want to focus on, that's cool. But if you want to offer more products, so definitely a vinyl cutter will be your best option. So yeah, make sure you subscribe and watch other tutorials.
And this is how we conclude this episode. So remember, if you want to make more money, you must invest more money. And of course, you have to sacrifice time and take the time to learn everything step by step. So that way, in the end, the reward will be big. Thank you guys so much. Hopefully you liked this video. If you did, make sure you like and subscribe. We'll see you guys again pretty soon.